so called Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido, or one of some for the Fantidol, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. What more is oh, and the pain gives go beyond we Papa Miss Entertainment and some and Mazerba Bosumo. Say Mroka share the moon some Muzana. Amazing kana maybe said the mabo fraba striker no dama child actor na sisiara no waba ye penyin abada heno do no ama sisiara no yenhu says no loco says no to bancho says the bear brother sufu chede I do not know ma me chada muhuma benyin ban yenye ba ye won menyu waka ye fu mi baby mo na brabo wa bo ekwekodu no brother it's not say you to me say why is na striker elichile Moise Deli Chile. One John Cherry Biarna, I've been saying about fun of tono gunshots. Or bear cade, Wesonum. Na line generates Nakaka, one Cherry Biara, or son of a catcher and there. Or Yaza, I've been saying the the phone. Striker Chema, phone on you. Watch a channel, my some no, it's a baby. You also a man who may be a some pedal or kikisi. May ain't say striker, I, or a can ask some to know, you ain't saying.
You can leave me because I'm from the streets, and I grew up from the streets, and I learned my skills from the streets. I learned everything from the streets. So I'm a street boy, and I can't just go at once and say I've stopped this. It takes a time for me to for me to stop all those things, but still I keep trying for myself. For me stopping all these things, but still you say don't have still a phone of you. Me, that thing is a lie. That phone thing is a lie. Me, I can't be with you and still a phone of you. If you said, okay, I go to your drawer. Sometimes I take some 20 CDs, some 10 CDs from your drawer, so your phone got missing, and you are saying the phone is with me. Me, that thing, that issue, this issue, me, I still doesn't understand this issue, because this issue, I need to find out. I need to find all this issue out, because it's a strange thing. It's strange. Please share the life. Let's share the life. Let's share the life and power tap. Let's share the life. Please, I need the life to be shared. And power tap and dash me more roses. I need more roses for the topic to be continued. Please, one rose. Please, one rose. I need one rose so that I'll still continue the topic. Thank you so much.
Striker to gunshot.
One rose, and I watch your story, no, brother. When you're in the hole, the streets of funnel, one was streets, no, work pretty over him. But our streets, no, and a pedestrians, no, 100 now. What you ye, brother? Still, like, them issue, I can't know. I mean, what move video be if anytime move video, boy, won't be an mood cry say. It's no, I'll be free watching. Now, my lights no mood cry. Because more rich, it's a but oh, children can on your phone and is it, and you're no fay. Yati, aye. Now, you're free honor. Ghana for children, sister could be or chrome had a broken hearts, crowing. Oh, my yenya so. Chad up till now, sister t-shirts are why a new different. Because I wasn't a release on your more children still have broken hearts. Because bread and no frack at tasting no jam cake of fun wasn't a jay the market is like our for so. To no children or nancasas or a calm. Oh, but on your calm, so them Ghana for the cone, Yamla, Sister Debbie, Ghana for children movie on. But Sister Debbie, well, I would tell you no so what we tell you no this feel there you know only bi no kasa wo chirema and some okay when you no fella ne zi wo mu kakra the man medical national zi wo mu kakra easy so ne zi wo mu kakra say bu hu baby obi anaze why yen taste there bi e kan ampa no kran yen say there bi e kan assembly there kan ampa but what kakra no say some LGBTQ some BBL one no LGBTQ no at least BBL does say better friend porn about baby came but one LGBT hey boy yeah and some worry so or chemolo tea no so best spill into I was spill tea no na here no sa ya na adwene e bo hwere we from no ya ye ready ye bo show no kakra sister Debbie any new song out about to man call free chem do move on our sister Lolu move on so tea no ye de papa well GB tea ne ye de sister alam I find out people for so tea no ho asamara yen sister Debbie ho sam yen ma ye free honom na ye can serious business kakra ai honorable when you're busy kwa we plus and o chem there abro ye na adwendo opedoko ye honorable no of course Shatta Wale ho kaja advice so was small what the Shatta honom na keke ja food tank e bokwa na so no o chirem ono na wa boa no mande wetum na we win ni seat o gomo central me yeke say za kwa me plus okay if afuta Shatta Wale was a man.
After I listened to everybody, I went to Shatta Wale. I said, Shatta, how come say when you go out, anytime you step out, everybody they follow you. When you step out, people they follow you. You will never go to Shatta Wale for sense. Me, I will, because I know that God does not put sense everywhere. Sometimes He hides it where you don't expect. So I went to Shatta. Say, Shatta, how come seeing you alone when you come out, everybody they follow you? That's the art of courting attention. How? And you know what Shatta told me? Say, go and read about Jesus Christ. Say, yes, I watch your campaign. I say, you just do it, you talk. They know they do them like that. Jesus Christ, you know talk. Jesus Christ, when he go, he give the people food. He turn bread, he make plenty. The people they chop. He give them fish and bread. And when I realized that it's very true. You have to solve the people's problems. I don't have the spirit to open the eyes of a blind man, but I can give somebody who has issues with the eye money to go to hospital. Shatta Wale is a very wise man. Shatta Wale told me, Your Excellency, go and help people. When you help people, people will follow you, people will support you, because the people are suffering and they need help. Go and help them. Go and do development. There's nobody who doesn't like development. Go and do development. Give them water. Help them with their roads. Do this for them. They will follow you. And that is exactly what we did. So don't go and sit down and go and see somebody, A plus Bram Pesamina Kasa. Say, you know, what be honorable. You know, was saying what she said in your Kasa. Unim Kasa no win election. Unim Kasa could win election. After I listened to everybody, I went to Shatta Wale. I said, Shatta, how is that?
No, Kwame A plus in an honorable way. Can be a major title, honorable. What's the son of Facebook? The Nana, Kwame, fast na Ross son be actually no time to waste. At as I see here, no honorable papa. Na Ochemoka Jafutu or Shatta Wale Hono, Mafutu no so no ye come ye papa and Shatta, Yamia Shrow, Yamia more wisdom. Into no that's papa. Masuma for Bibi or Honum, I'm as a cobom, shame, who papa, the wash off all the Eshan Obahawa, may iron to Santon, Yanko so lie, or Shatta Wale if you ho. Young Nayan Kaji and advice will be out no problem. Maybe an penny Bekake MP. It's no way and advice no be different. It's no new custom if we have young Koto Santa or Shatan if you honum. Nayan Kaja futu, share futu, who will be a Ellen Junda futu, the Muna Kwame plus, Opado Kacho, and they pay. Moisha, Yatudo, Yahumka, or chimney when you stroke, no fat, Ajujo. Now, so they are one you know about drop a video, Krubi. So no said eh sister so kakra. Moisha Budon the latest video no. My music can make kada one more wash no. Why as a papa nyame sure one. The wash here abani wash and come papa most more dress when it needs. Now no what jinenu so to who do happy papa. So no Moisha Budon ni o video no na embrace here. The club feeling no because I want the pink mono now attack club papa jinenua papa ntira ho no mala wa ba club nyum ni bia ma na o jinenua na we hu do da ho atsonkom why as o omonye depressed bibia ko family tum hu de wo rehwa no fine papa nyimpore de medwume ya mi hira wa ate ya mi hira aya as papa Moisha o look happy not so healthy but mo wake bia no nyame beye exam no moyi e beye fine ati bibia beye fine me ko have video bi abuhuni wo social so do funny video bi ya hwe video
see my man is coming see Allah shatter the boundary young rich nigga that is my nigga Allah, young rich nigga. My nigga.
Stop playing.
Stop playing, bro.
Don't little one. The heavy machine. Unbreakable. We are the future president in Ghana. I'll be the president. You'll be finance minister.
Vice.
Or vice.
Yeah.
I hear you. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
One done.
Now Ghana people say they don't need us again to become a president.
Why?
So they are sacking us.
Why?
I don't know.
Is it because
they say we have short mind?
Is it because we are short?
Exactly.
So short with plenty money, is it a problem?
It's not a problem.
One dollar, I salute you.
But we are wise. That's why we say we are chasing. But we are not chasing.
Because nothing they chop our money. Only condoms.
They chop our money. Stop.
Aha, it's president and vice. And always she had to discuss Ghana economy more by atasa. So beti biano, ye ho asam na work. No ho asam aranyen. Na menyorka say information so o wi asam kofo retwetwe ho ye papa enye TikTok bana yanhwa obabado. What's in the American abano waka che TikTok company the one bombs na one ton company no ma American and yet the ma won't forget there was the Americans baby jina TikTok do wa ban TikTok cry o America into and yet TikTok I was into ko show be na TikTok into no the mun komo na or ko do socials no do one ma worry a video work dey one last TikTok na zin nyina no ye hu nyina we see you all one month up to January 19th into yeah mobeke kesi biara no yes the Badwam one oh had a Millicent na Masa Abraham and I was mumu studio had the watch bibia crowd modezi ezamam oh had osmosis a sound Isaac Hamwa share light ho some certainly the Masa Israel jinamu pampe oh had the Mara OPD no bobo stories ni nyinara no ozamam da menje Weber director Wobe Kofi Ampedu head of productions Richmond nso temu honom meda wonyina ase da we abom na metum na mzabo ihu mankote na so wono wotaye che wori adwuma no odross ye papa nso se de meda hona ase awaje mbra anyim ye yi no so hu hia m chene hwe meda so papa da anyim ye yi mo sorry do ifia mankwata maklo onye na atnafo so wo boso